Dr. Ella is giving me a shot. Oh, wow. Thank you. What's that? Ow! Jeez! Oh, what's that? Oh, you can look into my, my... Ow! Why would you hit me? You're supposed to look into my ear. Oh, okay. Yeah, you're gonna... My blood pressure? Okay, squeeze a little... Oh, all right. Yeah. Thank you so much. I think I'm ill. You're always hitting me with stuff, man. What's that? Oh, gotta cauterize the wound. Yeah, tourniquet. Can you say tourniquet? What? Oh. What do you got there? That's a cash register. What are you gonna do with that? Oh my gosh. Who's that? Baby shark, where are you? La 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 la. Who?
Dada.
What? Shark, baby shark, da 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 da. Where's mommy shark?
Mama.
Mama shark, da 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 da. Where's baby shark?
Baby.
Baby shark, da 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 da. Where's grandpa shark? Do you know grandpa yet?
Bubble. Dada.
What?
Dada.
Dada shark. Pa, be, dada. Shark, da 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 da. Baby shark, da 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 da. Wanna go that way?
Baby.
Okay. Hey. You know it last night. It iced last night. Oh. The screen.
No. No.
Everything is encased in ice. It's kind of weird. It's been like rainy and icy. So Hop is enjoying his loaf of bread right there. Oh, we pick up Theo, we'll get Mom back to pick. Here, I'm gonna step on the glass. Oh my goodness. Look at that. It's so funny. Everything is crystallized. Hear that? Oh my goodness. Oh boy. Everything is ice. The car. Gloria. There's the old homestead. Still the old.
I live in that home.
Did you live in that home? No, that's just Joshua. That was Joshua's boyhood home, and there was his bedroom. And there was your mommy's bedroom next door.
You walk fine.
Oh, well, maybe. You live inside mommy.
Yeah, your mommy lives in that house.
I come inside.
No, we can't go inside. We have to knock on the door. And I put on that car.
Yeah, and the window.
That's when, and the window in the back.
The window was a big project.
Yeah, that's when I could do things. I did it all in one day.
Yes, I see a big cow.
Where?
Blue Valley.
Oh my gosh.
I want to go now. I had choo-choo.
That's so, and the mailbox is the same. They still have the old hoop up. The grass was a lot easier to cut.
Yes, Mom.
Yes, we did.
You earned $3,000 working on that house one summer. We gave you, employed you the whole summer. You did hard work.
Oh, sorry. Do you want to eat snow? I'm gonna grab some snow and push it in your face. Want
Yeah.
to do that?
Yeah.
Yeah? I'm just gonna grab some snow and just right in your face. Right in your face.
That's what I mean.
What?
You need to show that real snow on my face.
Yeah. You want me to grab a real snow?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna do it right now. Now you don't want me to do it?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna do it.
No.
I'm gonna grab a little snow. This is the cleanest snow I could find on the street. I'm gonna put it in your face. I'm gonna put it in your face.
I need to do it now. Do it now. Well, you know,
What happened to the snow?
it's from my video.
Oh, it melted.
We try it then.
You try again.
uh,
Ow!
Oh, you missed it already.
Oh man.
See? Oh, before it's like, oh my
A lot of
goodness,
wind.
that's-
Oh, there's some of the trash.
Oh, couple stress. That's not us, maybe.
I think it's ours. Boy. One of the bags flew down. Yeah. I think it's one of our bags, yeah.
Are you kidding me?
No.
don't take it over like that. I want to take it. Take it over. 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 Take it over.
That sounds cooler.
Ah,
Hey, you, who? Did you hear that sound? Is it a monster that I found?
There's a monster.
Monsters who live in our home. There's only me and my family who live.
All that he could see. And all that he could see. The bear went over the river. Bear went over the river. What's that? Oh, wow. Yeah, sit down. Yeah. That's really cool. Tap your head. Tap your head. If you're happy and you know it, and you think you should show it. You see? Yeah. Turn around. Where did you go? Where did you go? Where'd you go? There she is! Oh my gosh! Who's that?
yeah.
That's Josh, me.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Nine.
And who's that?
Da, Papa.
Papa and this?
Da.
Ja. That's me. I'm so tired, I'm gonna take a nap. Ugh. Huh? What? Oh, what's going on? Oh, I'm so sleepy. Ah. Ouch! Ow! Taking it to my back. Ow! What are you doing? Ouch! Ow! That hurts. Who taught you that? Who taught you that? Stop it! Stop it right now! What? Did you learn that from Theo? Who? Oh. Where's Ella? Oh no! Where's Ella? Where'd she go? Oh my gosh, there she is! Run away! Run away! Run away! Hide! Hide! Where'd she go? Oh my gosh! Boo! Oh no! 3, 2, 1. Boo! Oh no! Oh no, she got it! She's got the phone! Where's my phone? Where's my phone?
No.
No? Where's my phone then? Maybe it's right here! Thank you. So, Bethany said that all the trees are like silver, and I kind of know what she's talking about. Because of the ice, all the trees are very shimmery. Because of the freezing rain, it looks very nice. All the trees have it, so it's kind of hard to see on the camera, but if the light hits it just right, all the trees look like they're shimmering, like they're magic, which is kind of cool.
December 28th, it was 9.2.
White blood count?
White blood fights infection.
Order 243, 243, you're already Valerie 243. Order 247, we are
There's my son.
247.
She's trapped up there. She's trapped up there. Look at that beef.
Lord,
and
thank
the
you for
baby.
this food and bless to our bodies. Thank you for my son. And my orange. He's always got that blanket. And mom's wearing pajamas.
Yeah.
It's pajama day.
Oh, it's pajama day. Hi, kiddo.
Oh,
How's it going?
he just slept half hour.
All this is dead. Look at this. It's all ice. Not crazy? Ice storm. At IKEA again. Hopefully picking up bed stuff.